Hey guys, how are you? Uncle Dan here. Very important topic. A big part of communication is listening. And have you ever noticed, I mean, this video has the potential to change your life forever. I'm going to share with you about something I call generous listening. Have you ever noticed that you can't shut the machinery off up here? When you go to bed at night, it's still running. When you wake up, it's still running. Have you ever noticed that there's people that you're talking to that don't listen to you? They're always stepping on what you're trying to say, right? That's because they're listening to their own conversation. The conversation, the wheels up here are always going. They never stop. So I'm going to show you the secret to generous listening. First of all, it has to do with commitment. You have to have a commitment to hear what the other person's saying. Then you have to look at them, you have to look them in the eye, and you have to watch and listen to what they're saying and watch and observe your conversation in your own head. You're going to drift in and out of listening to them. I'm telling you, this is exactly how it works. But if you pay attention and you give your listening like a gift to the other person, and you have to learn how to quiet your own conversation in your own head. And the way you do it, you practice it. I'll give you an example. Years ago, I didn't practice this with my wife, Doreen, right? But now we do. When she used to come to me, I'd be in the matrix, right? I'd be doing my work, and she would come to my office and make a request of me, and I would just kind of nod, but I wasn't paying attention. Then later on, she would say, well, did you go to the cleaners, or did you go to the drugstore? Did you do what I asked? I said, you didn't ask me. And she said, well, I did. So we started working on, and we developed a practice called generous listening, and we practice it. So when she comes to talk with me now, and she say, Doreen, just give me 1 second, please. Let me finish this email, and then I'm going to look you right in the eye, and I'm going to be with you. And that's the secret. You have to give of yourself generously to the other person, like a gift. And you have to quiet the conversation that's already running in your head. So you have to be very careful. It's very powerful to become a very good listener. And we do that by developing a capacity called generous listening. We listen like it's a gift to the other person. Really powerful to be able to do that. Peace.